Leveling surveyors play a crucial role in the development and construction industry. They are responsible for measuring and determining the elevation of land and creating accurate topographic maps. In the bustling city of Gurgaon, located in the Udyog Vihar region, leveling surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid urbanization and infrastructure development taking place. Udyog Vihar is a prominent industrial hub in Gurgaon, home to numerous corporate offices, manufacturing units, and commercial establishments. The presence of skilled leveling surveyors in Udyog Vihar is essential for the proper planning and execution of construction projects. One company that specializes in leveling surveying services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, is Scon Design. Scon Design is a renowned firm known for its expertise in providing accurate and reliable surveying solutions. With their team of skilled surveyors, they offer a wide range of services including land surveys, topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. Their extensive knowledge and experience in the field make them a trusted choice for clients in Udyog Vihar and beyond. The role of leveling surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, goes beyond simply measuring land elevation. They also assist in the design and planning phase of construction projects. By providing accurate data on the terrain and elevation, leveling surveyors enable architects and engineers to create detailed site plans that consider factors such as drainage, grading, and foundation stability. This ensures that the construction process is smooth and efficient, minimizing any potential issues or delays. In addition to their expertise in land surveys, leveling surveyors at Scon Design also utilize advanced technology and equipment to carry out their work. They employ state-of-the-art laser levels, DGP systems, and total stations to ensure precise measurements and data collection. The development and construction industries depend heavily on leveling surveyors. They are tasked with measuring the size and elevation of the land and drawing precise topographic maps. Due to the tremendous urbanization and infrastructural development occurring in the thriving city of Gurgaon, which is located in the Udyog Vihar region, leveling surveyors are in great demand. There are several corporate offices, manufacturing facilities, and commercial organizations in Gurgaon's well-known industrial center of Udyog Vihar. For the efficient planning and completion of construction projects, Udyog Vihar must have access to skilled leveling surveyors. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, Scon Design is one business that offers leveling surveying services. A reputable company known for its proficiency in offering precise and trustworthy surveying solutions is Scon Design. They provide a variety of services with the help of their team of knowledgeable surveyors, including land surveys, topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. Clients in Udyog Vihar and elsewhere choose them because of their vast expertise and experience in the industry. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, leveling surveyors have a function that extends